Hi, Fraser Cousins here, unpacking the new SmartBoard 7000 Pro series, where we're going to do a deeper dive of how you can use this SmartBoard in a manner that really allows for a very powerful experience over conferencing experiences on web conferences. Let me show you what I mean. SmartBoards have always traditionally been amazing at instantly sharing content and allowing you to really interact with that content in a meaningful way. However, with this new 7000 Pro series, we've created a tool that allows you to be able to have an open conferencing architecture to allow you to conduct any type of web conference with any type of USB peripherals for the meeting room and allow you to be able to conduct it in a deep manner that's valuable for the end users. So there are three unique features that we do. The first is we have a unique feature around USB switching the webcams and speaker microphones that you use in your meeting rooms. Whatever the active video source is on the SmartBoard and whatever you plug into the SmartBoard for cameras or speaker microphones will be automatically switched to the active computer source that is live. Secondly, we give you Universal Smart Ink, where you're doing desktop sharing, you can mark up any type of content, and that will be viewed by the far end. Lastly, we have with our IQ whiteboard, you can live share that to up to 250 people, regardless of web conferencing platform, and have a multi-way experience where you then can have everyone be able to contribute and be able to then save that content for future use. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go ahead and bring up a Skype for Business call that I'm in, and you'll notice that this webcam is live. But rather than it being plugged into my computer, I have it plugged into the SmartBoard. But because I'm the active video source, it's automatically switched that to my computer for my use. Secondly, I'm able to share my desktop with the far end, and you'll notice when I share my desktop with the far end, I'm able to then now be able to mark up that content for the end user, and that would be fully visible and present. And when I end the show, you'll notice that you get all the attributes of Smart Ink that it's directly saved into that PowerPoint, that Office file, that AutoCAD file that you're working on. And lastly, we're able to then now be able to do multi-way whiteboarding. I've launched an IQ whiteboard session where now I have the ability to be able to add contribution to the session. And not only can I do that, but I can have the far end be able to contribute that content with me. And so they have the ability to be able to also add to the material as they see fit. And I have the ability to then now be able to save all those contributions to PDF or an image as I like. Which means with Smart, you get more choice, more flexibility for how you design your conference rooms in a very immersive manner. First, you can choose the SmartBoard display that makes sense for you. You can conduct any type of web conference that you would like, whether that's a Skype for Business or a WebEx or a Zoom or a Google Hangout session. We're agnostic to the web conference that you're using. Universal Smart Ink and multi-way whiteboarding and our webcams work across any web conferencing platform. And you could really choose any type of device that you want to use for your meetings, whether that's a conferencing appliance like Skype Room System or a video conferencing station, whether that is a meeting room computer, or whether that's certain types of webcams or other investments that you would like to use. That's how the new 7000 Pro series really offers deeper, better web conferences.